All people have found, wondered at, and studied at fossils for millennia. Modern paleontology began in earnest in the 1800s. Mary Anning was a prominent paleontologist early in the 1800s, collecting fossil marine life, and she and her family collected and sold valuable marine fossils ranging from invertebrate ammonites to sharks and a plethora of fish to fossil reptiles such as ichthyosaurs and plesiosaurs. And although as a woman she was often not given the credit she was due for her discoveries, she interacted with and influenced a number of the great paleontologists who were changing the way that fossil life was viewed. When the word dinosaur was first used, it described three different dinosaurs, two of which were discovered by Gideon Mantell: Iguanodon in the early 1820s and the armored dinosaur Hadrosaurus in 1832. While Owen was the one who named dinosaurs, it could be argued that Mantell deserves more credit, and Mantell later disproved Owen's interpretation of Iguanodon's body posture. The geologist William Buckland discovered the dinosaur Megalosaurus, and the species bucklandi is obviously named after him. This was the second known dinosaur after Iguanodon, discovered in 1824, and his publication of it was the first scientific publication describing a dinosaur. He had a number of influential contributions to geology, and in this quote, during these ages of reptiles, neither the carnivorous nor lacustrine mammalia of the tertiary periods had begun to appear, recognized that an age of reptiles preceded the age of mammals. Actually, a portion of the femur of Megalosaurus had actually been described in a publication in 1676, but it was identified as belonging to a large quadrupedal mammal and was identified as being the testes. These testes were later associated with being human as well. In 1842, Sir Richard Owen, who published prolifically about anatomy and geology, proposed that Megalosaurus, Iguanodon, and Hadrosaurus be grouped together in a new category known as dinosaurs, based on shared features, such as the fusion of vertebrae. His dinosaur term meant terrible lizard, where terrible was meant in the term of fearfully great. Dinosaurs became a topic of great interest, as can be seen in this quote by Dickens, or these two early drawings, or this concrete reconstruction of a life-size Megalosaurus. Although many of the features were inaccurate, such as the quadrupedal nature of this theropod dinosaur we now know to have been bipedal, it shows that dinosaur interest was spreading. In 1858, the fossil of a Cretaceous hadrosaur dinosaur was discovered in New Jersey, and at the time, it was the most complete dinosaur fossil remains known, and in 1868, it was the first dinosaur to be on public display at the Philadelphia Academy of Natural Sciences. Thousands of people went to see it, and many paid 10 cents in order to do so. In 1991, this hadrosaur was named the state dinosaur of New Jersey.